All right, good morning, everybody. I'm at my house today, and my neighbor across the street, nicest lady in the world, she wants me to hang up 2 sconce lights, plant some grass, and that's what we're going to do. Let's head over and see what lights we got. All right, we will be replacing that sconce light and that sconce light over there. Let's see what we got. She wants little floodlights in there. All right, let's get going. All right, it's loud. We do live by trains, but we're gonna take this light off here. Move some stuff out of the way. Oh, uh-oh. Well, that thing's heavy. Okay, well, I did not talk to her. Hopefully, power's off, which it looks to be so. Well, I don't know who put this up, but there is no box. Electrical tape. These O-Peats. I know wire nuts or nothing. I'm gonna have to go get a box or so. I didn't look at this before. Pull that off. It's not grounded. It's wrapped around here. I'm not gonna sit here and fight this thing the entire time. Let's get my cutters. Okay. All right. I might have to run to the store, huh? Might have something in my shed. I'm bringing you guys in the shed. It is a wreck. Let me open this thing up and see what we got. Okay, wire nuts. Here. Uh-oh. I dropped her. Okay. I'm gonna have to go get a box. A flat pancake box. God, what a mother. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's go take the other one out. I'm probably gonna have to get 2 if that's the one that one looks like. Here's on plant some grass. There's a little bit. Okay. I'll move this chair. America. We all like America. Good morning, how are you? Good. Hey, I'm probably going to have to go and get little pancake boxes because these don't have boxes.
Let me give you some money for it.
Let me go get it first.
Okay.
It's not a problem.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, I got the other light out and same thing. Same thing, I have to go get a box. Just gotta get a little metal pancake box or if a plastic one, whatever they have. First, I will check my shed to see what they got. Okay, well, that was a negative on the pancake box. Let's head to the store. and get some stuff. We're gonna go to Stone and Company, local hardware store and concrete store. All right, well, what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to get a pancake box, put it on the siding, cut the siding out around it. I don't have all of my stuff with me. It's at the job site. This is just stuff that I'm doing at home. I'm going to just take a razor knife, cut the siding to the size of the box so I can put it back on the sheathing so the light will sit more flush to the back of the wall. Everything is under roof, so I'm not, you know, that worried about the moisture aspect of it. She just wants some lights, as other lights don't work. Also goes to show you that of course you just think that it's just going over there replacing 2 lights and everything should be pretty much set up the way it's supposed to be, and you go over there and it's not. There's always something more to it, but by the end of it we're going to get her some light. And then of course we are going to plant some grass. I believe she got Kentucky 31. I have to check, it might even be bluegrass. We're gonna sprinkle it on her little patch right there, put some peat moss on it, and it's gonna rain all weekend, so it'll get nice and watered in. We are here. Let's go in here and get what we need. Yock River Rally today. Alright. Okay. Well, what do we got? Well, I see. Let's see right here. I would rather have a metal one. Here we go. We'll get 2 of these. Those will be fine. And a pack of the knockouts, because they take up less room. It'll sit better in there. Alright, that's it. I also got some 1-inch panhead screws to hold that box in a little better too. But let's head back home. Alright, well, we made a quick pit stop. We're stopping here. The Amish are in town and they're making fresh donuts. They just have a small tent and it's made to order. And we're going to get a couple and then take one home to the wife as well. And maybe the kids. I do not have cash on me. I'm hoping that they take a card. I usually do have the cash with me. But let's go see. Fresh donuts. Is it just cash only? Okay, all right, thank you. I'll be right back. Well, I'm empty-handed. They do not take a card. It is cash only. I just shot for the best. I should know. It is the Amish, and I assume they wouldn't take a card, but it was worth a shot. All right, we are here. Let's go pop these knockouts off and go see what we have to do to secure this thing to the house. Okay, let's knock these out. Get the middle one out here. I'm going to use these tan wire nuts as opposed to the ones that they come with. I'm going to have to cut this one a hair shorter. I'll leave it to be that long. Okay, let's do the ground first. Okay. Just gonna chuck all this water in here. Upside down. All this wire in here. Give her a little screwy screw. There we go. Adjust these a little bit. That's rough to deal with there. No reason. Okay. Now, this little yard right here, we're going to grass seed it. I'm going to put some peat moss on there, and it will rain a little later, and wet the seed. And then the reason for the peat moss is it keeps it moist a little bit longer. So let's get going. I'm just going to spread it by hand. It's such a little area. If I did a broadcast spreader or whatever, it'd go over the sidewalk and everything else. So we're just going to make sure you put enough down, but you also don't want to overcrowd it, and it won't grow as well. So we'll sprinkle a little bit along here. I'm hoping it'll grow pretty nice, and then this will be a nice little area next to the sidewalk. She's retired for a while. She's 70, 80, I believe, actually. So I'll get real close to the sidewalk here. Let's open up the peat moss. I think I'm not gonna use much. I'm gonna split it down the middle here, like this, so it's easier to fold back up. And then you just put the peat moss, just like you did the grass seed, except it doesn't really matter how much you use on this. It is a little messy. I should be wearing gloves, but I really don't care, to be honest with you. She's turning her switches on so I can see if they work. It was a little crammed in that little space. And we have light. We have light. Okay. We got light. I would rather do it for free, because she's my neighbor and she does a lot for my kids. But she refuses to do so. That is it. Nah, I'm talking to myself. Well, that's it. Grass is watered. I'm gonna go over there and spray some starter fertilizer on it. I gotta do kind of my grass anyway, but in the meantime, thanks for sticking around. I'll catch you on the next one.